Hey y'all, it's Emily, and today we are in my bathroom because today we are doing a bathroom makeover. So you'll see a few spoilers behind me of what I'm doing to my bathroom, but we're going to be doing a huge makeover, painting the walls, getting new curtains, and redecorating the whole thing and just reorganizing everything. Also, a disclaimer, you're going to see my hair in about 100 different colors in this video because it took about a month to just compile everything and finish everything. So my hair will be pink and purplish and blonde. It's going to be all over the place, but it'll be fine. You'll live, I'll live, we'll be okay. So yeah, keep watching to find out what my bathroom's gonna look like. I think it's pretty cute. Okay, so I'm currently in my bathroom. First, I'm going to be painting the walls. But before I do that, I need to clear the bathroom of everything that is in it, and I'm going to go through and declutter a bunch of things. So, here's the original color of the walls. I don't know what the name of the color is, but it's just kind of a very light brown, tannish color, and it just ain't cutting it. It ain't cute. So I'm going to be painting the walls this color, a beautiful white. The whole bathroom is going to be white, so it should look super gorgeous, hopefully. But first, let's just remove everything that is in here. Okay, I have my paint trays and everything. I can't find a paint key, so I'm gonna try and get it open with a knife. So this is the same paint that I used on my bathroom wall. Anyways, we have like a little bit more than half a gallon. Also, it's super echoey because everything is out. It's completely empty. I think tonight I'm just going to work on one coat, not including the edges of everything. So. The ladder barely fits to get to the ceiling. Also, my only form of light is that because I took these out to paint. haul time, so I just stopped by Home Depot and got a few things. So, all right, first, my shower curtain pole, it was silver and it's kind of broken. So, got a new one. This one's white. It's still the extension thing. Hopefully it'll last longer. So I have that. And then I also have some more paint because the paint that I've been using is here. It's the leftovers from when I painted my backdrop wall in my room. And so I ran out and I'm mostly done. There's just a few spots. So got more paint. This is the Scuff Defense Stain Blocking Paint and Primer Interior Eggshell Enamel in Ultra Pure White from Bare Ultra. In case you were wondering, now you know what paint I'm using. Okay, also more paint. I got some spray paint. This is some metallic rose gold spray paint. It's kind of a coppery color. So I'm going to be painting my towel rod, my toilet paper holder, and the light fixture. But that's the color I got. It's Rust-Oleum in metallic rose gold. So got that as well. And then this I'm excited about. I got some white lights for the light fixture, and then I'm also gonna put them around my room too. So I have 2 packs. There's 4 in each pack, so there's 8 total. I'm gonna put, there's 3 lights in the little fixture in my bathroom, 3 in my main room, 1 in my closet, so everything's gonna have so much better lighting. It's just gonna, you know, make everything look prettier and brighter and lighter. Yeah, so I got those. These are just EcoSmart 60 watt LED bright white bulbs, but I got those, and that's everything. Okay, so recently, as you've seen, my shower curtain was white. It was just a white one from Target. But let me just show you my problem. Here is my little shower. I already removed the white curtain. That's how tall it is. And I think it just looks really awkward with the normal sized curtain, which will hang like about here. And it'll just like cut off like there. And there's so much extra space. So I got some actual like window curtains from Target. They are the perfect length. The only problem is they don't have the little hook holes for the little loops to go through. So my plan was just to cut holes and then use it like that. But then I also found another problem. This is my shower curtain liner. It is too short to hang at that height. It does not reach all the way to the point it needs to reach. I could just hang it a little lower and it would be fine, but I have a better idea. So let me just show you what I'm gonna do. I just received the finishing touch for my bathroom. Ordered it online because could not find it in any store. It was always sold out. But here it is now. And once I've had this, my bathroom's gonna be completed as of right now. So it's actually not as big as the box is. This is a huge box for what it is. Okay, look. That's the thing. Okay, so I just ordered a little thing of eucalyptus to put in my shower. This is quite messy. Yeah, okay, it looks like it's been coming undone. I'm gonna hang this up on like my shower head. It's not as pretty as I had hoped it would be. Amazon's got a bunch of these, but all the reviews were terrible for any from there. So I ordered one from Etsy because all the reviews were really good. And it's really kind of a mess. Okay, I'm gonna go hang it right now. I got a pre-tied one and I spent way too much for this. You know, I might even untie this and try to make it look better. But for now, I'm just gonna hang it in my shower where I want it to be. And stay tuned for my video next Sunday to see the final reveal. So sorry, but I'm going to be doing the final bathroom tour and like in-depth everything that's in my bathroom in a separate video. Because I want to be able to go in-depth into everything and I think it needs this whole video. So subscribe, like this video, turn on the notifications so you'll get notified when that comes out. It'll come out Sunday 11 a.m. this coming Sunday and it'll be my next video. You won't even have to wait but a few days for it to come out. Yeah, anyways, I hope you enjoyed this and I'll see you next time. Bye!